Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the device so updates install cleanly. Check that you have a stable Wi-Fi or 4G connection and at least 50% battery, or plug the phone in. Backup app data with Oneplus Switch or Google Backup. This prevents data loss if an update fails. Next, open Google Play, then open Oneplus native apps like Gallery or Services to see pending updates. Once you've confirmed connectivity and backups, proceed to the app-specific update screens to start fetching new versions. Now carry out the detailed update actions. In Google Play, tap an app, then Update. Repeat for each app requiring attention. For OnePlus System or pre-installed apps, open the OnePlus System Updates or OnePlus App Store and check for vendor releases. These sometimes appear separately versus Play Store updates. Make sure storage is sufficient. Clear cache if an install stalls. If you want less manual work, enable auto update over Wi-Fi, but keep control of permissions and major version changes by reviewing release notes first. Finish by verifying the updates completed and stabilizing the system. Reboot the phone after significant updates. This lets services restart and apply changes. Open updated apps and test core features. If an app misbehaves, clear its cache first. If problems persist, clear data or uninstall and reinstall from Google Play. As a last resort, roll back to a previous version if available or contact OnePlus support. Tip: if an update fails repeatedly, check storage and network, then try installing via safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.